Horizon 5 should not go like Forza 8 whenever it drops.
Yeah. Your fence done yet?
Almost. They didn't come here today, so it's tomorrow. It looks fantastic. I'll say that. Take some pictures and show you later.
So you've already got your uprated wheel on them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Duty?
I didn't even try it without it.
So as you can see in the video, it was a lot smoother with the steering inputs and driving the car down the hill. I actually even scored higher than the previous run. There's nothing changed with the wheel settings or the car in the game. It's just strictly the wheel. If you have any questions about setting up your wheel or anything with the game, just let me know in the comments below. And if you're shopping around for a wheel, if you want to go budget, go ahead and get a Logitech, but I would say save your money, get yourself a Thrustmaster. Later guys.